They call it the Mother City. And when you stand here, at the very tip of the African continent, you understand why. Cape Town isn't just a city, it is a collision. It is where the cold Atlantic crashes into the warm Indian Ocean. It is where the modern world meets raw, untamed nature. If the world has an end, surely it must look like this. Dominating the skyline is the guardian of the city, Table Mountain. This isn't just rock, it is one of the oldest mountain ranges on Earth. 600 million years of history rising flat against the sky. Look closely at the clouds pouring over the edge. The locals have a poetic name for it, the tablecloth. When the wind blows and the clouds spill over, the mountain is setting the table for the gods. Whether you hike to the top or take the cable car, the view from up here changes your perspective on life. Suddenly, everything feels small. But the magic of Cape Town isn't just above, it is also on the road. Chapman's Peak Drive. Carved right into the vertical cliffs, this is arguably the most scenic drive on the planet. 114 curves, with the sheer drop of the ocean right beside you. And where does the road lead? To something unexpected. Boulders Beach. Here on the white sands, you don't find typical sunbathers. You find them, the African penguins. Watching these tuxedoed little creatures waddle freely in their natural habitat is a reminder. This city belongs to nature as much as it belongs to us. Cape Town is also a city of deep contrast and resilience. Travel to the neighborhood of Bo Kaap. You can't miss it. Neon pink, bright lime, deep ocean blue. These houses were painted vividly as an expression of freedom after slavery was abolished. Every color tells a story of survival. But to truly understand the soul of this nation, you must look across the water, to Robben Island, that small patch of land where Nelson Mandela spent 18 years in a tiny cell. It is a haunting reminder of the past, yet a powerful symbol of the human spirit's ability to forgive and rebuild. Today, that spirit is alive in the city's heartbeat. From the bustling V&A waterfront, filled with music and laughter, to the quiet, rolling hills of the Winelands just an hour away. Stellenbosch and Franschhoek, where the wine is as rich as the history. Here, time seems to slow down. You sip, you breathe, and you watch the sun turn the mountains into gold. There are places you visit, and then there are places that stay with you. Cape Town doesn't just ask for your attention, it captures your heart. This is the edge of the world, and it is waiting for you. For more cinematic journeys around the world, don't forget to subscribe.